So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to generate image with ChatGPT. You all know that it's not possible to generate image with ChatGPT. In fact, ChatGPT wasn't developed or it wasn't programmed to generate images. But in this video, I will show you a trick I use in making ChatGPT generate images for me. And I'll also show you how you can become a content creator and make money with it with the help of ChatGPT. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, or if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell and give me a thumbs up so that YouTube can show this video to other people who needs it. So if you don't know what ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI. It's a natural language processing tool. It allows you to have human-like conversations and much more with its chatbot. The language model can answer questions and assist you with tasks such as composing emails, writing essays, and writing codes. So it's a very useful tool for any content creator or anybody. So I will show you how you can leverage on this chatbot in your day-to-day activities as a content creator, a blogger, or as an affiliate marketer. Guys, if you don't know what ChatGPT is, but for the main purpose of this video is just to show you how you can generate image with this wonderful tool. So let me go straight and show you how you can generate image with ChatGPT. So let's head over to ChatGPT. So this is my ChatGPT account. It's free, and they also have a premium version. So this is the premium version, is $20 per month, and you also have the free plan. You can do anything with the free plan, so there is really no need for the premium version. But if you wish to upgrade to the premium version, you can do so. So to generate this image, you need an API from Polynation. I don't know about other sites, but for now I'm making use of a Polynation API. So here is the API. I'm going to copy it and then paste it here. So below here you have to describe what you want this ChatGPT to do for you, the image you want this ChatGPT to generate for you. So let's say a picture of a man. Of a black man with white hair. White hair. And smiling. And then you send it. When you are done describing the image, you just send, and then wait for it to generate the image for you. So here is the image. Our image is ready. The most important thing here is any image that is being generated with this ChatGPT or any AI is copyright free. It's copyright free, so you don't have to worry about any copyright issues, or use a free image, as in the image is copyright free. So I'm going to download this image right now. So then we'll head over to the id.com. If you don't know how to make use of this website, you can check my videos, you can check my channel. I made a video on how to use this website, and I'm also going to leave a link to the video below, so you watch it and learn how to make use of this website. So we click on free trial, then click on great video. So here we will upload the picture we downloaded from ChatGPT. So okay, I think it's asking me to log in. So okay, hold on. I'm going to copy this image, and then I will save it here. So that's okay. Our image is here already. So next thing is we will have to head over to ChatGPT again. Now we are going to ask ChatGPT to write us a short pitch, a short motivational pitch. After that, it's going to generate it for you. And then come over here, paste it here. Okay. It says 20 words preview limit exceeded. So for you to be able to generate more than 20 words this thing, you have to upgrade to the premium version here. So we have to reduce this so that Okay, so after that, you come over here, select the voice you want, either a female voice or a male voice. So let's make use of Christopher. Once you are done, click on generate video and wait for it to generate. I think our video is ready.
Are you looking for a quick dose of entertainment or inspiration? Look no further than my YouTube Shorts. With bite-sized content that's perfect for on-the-go viewing, my channel is your go-to source for quick laughs, life hacks, and everything in between. So why waste time scrolling through social media feeds when you can get your daily dose of inspiration and entertainment from my channel? Tune in today and join the thousands of viewers who are.
So that is it. So after generating this video, you can then download it. Click on download this video, and then come over to repurpose.io. With repurpose.io, all you need to do is just post once, and then this software here will help you post this video across all your channels, your YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, etc. So all you need to do is just upload the video here, and then this repurpose.io will help you do the rest. So this is just it. So all you need to do is come over to this side, create a free account. As you can see, they offer 14 days free trial, no credit card is required, and after then you'll be asked to pay. So yeah, they are pricing, monthly pricing. It's just $12 per month. You can start with $12 after your free trial expires. You can start with $12 per month, and then you can upgrade when you start making money with this. So all you need to do is just, after creating the account, upload your video, and then have it. This website will help you post your videos or publish your videos across all your channels. I'm going to leave the link below at the description. So it's very easy. After doing this, what you need to do is just wait for all your channels to start having engagement, or getting engagements like comments, likes, and the rest of it. And after that, you can now monetize your channels, your YouTube channel, TikTok, Facebook, and all the rest. So if you find this video very helpful, please kindly give me a thumbs up so that it will get to other people, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell if you haven't done so. Thank you so much for watching.